In this video, we will write our first simple JavaScript program. I have a file and save it as a html.html. First, we need HTML tag, and then I will add head tag where I will have our title, which says first JavaScript example, and just need to close the title tag. And then close head tag. And now we need our body tag where we have our paragraph which has hello world message, and just close this paragraph. And now I will add a script tag for JavaScript, and we'll use document object and its property bg color, and set its value to yellow. This property bg color is for background. It will change the background color of our document to yellow. And then need to end our script tag, and then need to close body tag, and the last one HTML tag. So this simple JavaScript code or JavaScript statement will change our web page color or background color to yellow. Need to add a semicolon here and just save it. And now we can open this file in a browser. And we can see it changed the background color of our web page to yellow.